Okay. So up to yesterday, what we had seen, we had discussed regarding the selector part. Okay. And in
Good
selector, we
morning.
had, yeah, hello. Somebody is speaking something.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can we start? Okay. So up to yesterday, what we had seen, that selector, how we are targeting any particular element. Okay. Particular element, or you can tell particular tag regarding for what purpose we are targeting. Can anyone? For what purpose we are targeting any HTML element or any tag? Shivani, for what purpose? We are just targeting, but why we are targeting? What we are doing with particular tag or particular, yeah,
For less line of code,
less line of code. Okay, fine. Next, Shweta, why we targeting?
styling purposes.
Yeah, means a styling purpose, and with the help of selector means many processes they are grouping so that we can um, we can group that and we can reduce the line of code. Correct? Because same style, if other is also wants the same type of a style, so we can easily pass that by grouping together. So we had seen different type of selector, that is like one is simple selector. Okay, and in case of simple selector, we was selecting with the help of id, class, or name in the sense that tag. Okay, next we had discussed regarding the combinator selector. Combinator selector, that is a relationship combination. Okay, in combinator we was mainly trying to create the relationship between the particular tag or particular element with the help of that tag. Okay, and in combinator we had seen there are different types. Then we had seen pseudo class selector. In pseudo class we had seen how we are targeting any element, but there is no any particular like that type of class available. Okay, but then also we are targeting, like here we had done anchor tag. Okay, in anchor tag there is no link button, means this a link element, whatever is written there word link, it is not available in that particular tag. Okay, as like that active, then active is not available there. Then what is this active, link, widgeted? These all things, these all are pseudo class. But how you know that this is class or any other thing? Sweta, how we know that that is class actually? Because this button is some element, some tag. Okay, or otherwise this A1, this refer to the class, this refer to our normal class, correct? But
Okay.
this one, this is link, widgeted, or active, and h over. Okay, these all are pseudo class.
Yes, sir.
That is not our general class, that is pseudo class. But how we know that that is pseudo class? Means
When
if you,
move to further, they show the over and active link. Like,
no, one more time,
sir,
repeat one more time.
in web page, move to the cursor. They show sir over active link visited. The action will be on the web page. Sir.
Okay, that's fine, but my question is that if anybody will look over this code, then how he will know that this is a pseudo class? Got my point?
Yeah.
Shivani, Pooja, Amol,
We
how we
use
will?
anchor tag
That's fine, anchor tag is a tag.
dot dot
Okay,
colon.
yeah, with the help of a colon actually. See here, we had passed the colon. Okay,
We
with the
use
help,
colon above winner.
What?
We use colon in button also.
Yeah, so because this active is the pseudo class. I asking that how we will know who is the pseudo class. Means you telling that this element complete is pseudo class, but this is not complete element. This particular section is known as pseudo class. This active, because this button we know that this is tag. If we are taking here A1, we know that A1 is the class name because a dot is there. Correct? If that will be has, we know that that is ID. Correct or not? But with the help of this colon, after colon, whatever we had passed, that is pseudo class. So with the help of that colon, we going to write that pseudo class, because as suppose you will look over simple class or yeah, when we had grouping together multiple, what we were doing, we was passing like this way, h1, then comma p, then we passing this. Otherwise in that there was one space relation also. So that by that time what we were doing, div and p, and then we was passing this. Then how we had related that, how you know that this is simple selector or combinator or child relation, how you know that? We know due to the space here between that. Correct or not? There was something who going to link up. Clear? So with this way we can easily identify that this is pseudo class. How we can know? With the help of a colon. Clear? Shivani, Amol, Sweta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So with the help of a colon, actually, we have to find out, because see, in each case, greater than is there, then we can know that that is child selector. Okay. Means after this, whatever was there, that we know that that is child selector. Then plus, due to plus, we can know that this is adjacent sibling. Then due to tilt, we will know that this is general sibling. Okay, so this is the way. Otherwise, just you can do one thing. When you're removing this one, is there anything special to find out that whether this is pseudo class or not? Anything? Nothing is there. That's why we are passing that to making relationship. Okay. Okay, so we had seen up to pseudo class. So in pseudo class, almost all we had done. Just look over one time. So pseudo class. Okay, in pseudo class we had seen about the anchor tag. Okay, and after that pseudo class and HTML classes. Then again something same type, anchor tag and a highlight. What is this one actually up to here? Can you tell me something? What is A and what is highlight, which is written, and what is H over? Just split all word. Pooja is there. Amol, can you tell? Or Sweta, can you split this all word? What is all? One by one. Shivani,
Sir,
what is? Can you explain?
sir, A is anchor tag.
Okay.
When moving cursor over to the any web page, they show the
I
highlighting.
see. I not asking that what will it will work. No, I not asking that. I want a explanation of this line complete one by one. A, you told A is anchor tag. Fine. What about highlight?
Another class.
Yeah, that is class because the dot symbol is there. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about
Yes, sir.
over?
And this is pseudo class.
This is pseudo class because colon is there. Sweta,
Yes.
had you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that I was asking that what each word is going to do, because if you, once you will got clear regarding each word, then it's not the matter, because after that you can make sentence, you can utilize that properly wherever you want. So see, it targeting that particular class. A class is there, then highlight is another class. Sorry, A is the tag, and then highlight class, and then it referring to that particular. Okay, so what it will do? It will make color change and font size. It will increase the font size when it will put that cursor over that one. Okay, so next, over on div. If you will over on any section of a div, you can do the same thing, because we had also seen that on the button and different property. So see here, I will not going to do all this, otherwise. Okay, let me copy that, not an issue. This is pseudo class itself. Okay, see, try to get clearance regarding pseudo pseudo 2 dot html. Try to get clearance regarding all tag. Okay, once you will get clearance regarding each element, 1 second. Once you will get clearance regarding each line of code, not in this only HTML, in any language, when you start studying another language also, if you will get clearance regarding each line, then you will realize that programming is easy. Otherwise, if you not, then it will look complicated. So just try to get idea regarding each line of code. Okay, I will pass here itself. Wait, why are you going to do this much? Just to copy this complete. That's why I telling just a practice material. If you will practice, you will get much more doubt also, and it will get clear. Don't think regarding your website and this that. Once you will get clearance over this completely, that will also get automatic. Shadow 2 very open with live server. What are you thinking here? What it will do? Now see, we are in that level where we can easily identify the output of the code, because I told we know all the things. Okay, you can't tell that we don't know. So can you tell me something what output this output will do? Can you getting from the code anything? First,
Yes,
see how you can analyze the code. Go first HTML or otherwise CSS. Anything you can. That's not an issue. Because in
sir.
HTML you can't maybe. Yeah.
Where we put cursor, the
Wait,
background color will change to blue,
blue.
from
Fine,
green to
fine,
blue.
fine. So just to explain this line first. Shivani Kumari, explain this line.
Yes, sir. Background color is green
Okay.
and color white
Okay.
uh, and padding 25 pixel and
Okay.
text line center.
Okay. Means you're telling whatever be getting on the screen now, that is this div due to
Yes.
this div.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Sweta, what this div will do? And explain each line of code.
Sir, div is div and sir.
Pseudo
Pseudo
code, no. What is
pseudo
that actually?
pseudo class.
Yeah, pseudo
Class.
class. Yeah. So what is pseudo class? Which pseudo class is here?
Colon and over.
What is the name of pseudo class? Colon is the relation, making relationship. With the help of colon, we can identify But what is the name of pseudo class? Which pseudo class is here?
Over.
Active,
Oh.
link, yeah, over. Because previously we had seen like active, link, these all. Okay. See, in interview, if they are asking what is pseudo class, you can tell that like this way we can pass. Okay. Means class is not there, but then also we are using that. First thing, this one. Second, if you are giving examples, then directly you
Sir,
can
what
hit
is
it.
the definition of pseudo class?
Class which is not exist. There is not existence of the class, but we are using that. Maybe definition will be here, I think. Class can be HTML pseudo class or HTML classes over link, anchor pseudo class. See, a pseudo class is used to define a special state of element. For
Okay.
example, it can be used to style an element when mouse over it, a style visited and unvisited, a style an element when it got focus. Okay. So
Okay.
that's everything is available in material. Each definition is also, because we had copy from W3 school itself. And after that, we had removed some content which is not useful. That's it. Otherwise, you will get all the thing here. So see what it will do. Actually, according to this second line, when we will pass over, means mouse on that particular section, the color become blue. So let's see, it become blue. Okay. So that this is the activity due to over class. Okay. Display none. Okay. Oh, all P got a display none. Class. No. Hmm. Case of over. Okay, that property get hidden here. Fine. By default, it is block. It is hidden. I want to be okay. Get it to be. Okay. So in this over, anyone having any issue? With the help of this, we can do another task also. Okay. So next is simple tool tip over. If you passing something, just see this example. What it going to do? So what is written here? H over the div element to show the difference. Just 1 second. Okay, display none is there, fine. So see here how. So see, by default nothing is there. Okay, pass the cursor and move here. When I passing cursor over this one, automatic then this one is coming. By default nothing, because what we had done, we had taken one paragraph. Okay, this paragraph, and on paragraph this thing I was trying to do there actually. So inside div is on the top, and inside the div we had taken one p tag. Fine, but by default p tag is hidden because we used here one property display none. I think we had seen this display none, or if you not seen, then you can look over here. With the help of display none, we can hide any element. Okay, one more property will come. There we will see the difference between both. So display none, okay, background color something be given, then padding be is given. And what is this one? When it over that display, div, when it overing div and paragraph section, means this combinedly, because this is comes under the combined parent itself. Okay, so we had to group that child relation. With the help of a space, what we by doing? Child relation or which one? Here a space is there. Hello?
Selector.
Descendant.
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 Okay. Yeah. So with the help of a space, we going to make the descendant selector. So with the help of that, what we doing? When it mouse over, okay, that time we are changing that display property. We are changing that because previously we had passed a display none. None means hidden, nothing it going to display. But when we passing mouse over, that time display something came, and that is block. And what is this block? Actually, this is a block level element. So see, now we getting up there and do one thing, remove this block. And what is another type? Inline. Let's pass that inline. Now see what it going to do. What happened?
Line.
With a long line it came, because we had make that inline. Due to that it came a long line nearby itself. But when it block level, okay, and due to block level, element, it came into new line that going to break. So with the help of CSS, we can convert all the functionality of HTML also. Means if a span is inline, okay, we can convert that into block level. If block level, we can convert into that inline. Okay, there is no any relationship like that. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? Like this, we can do much and much task. I will go this one. That's it. Because many examples actually in this. 6 SEUDO. Which one? 4 dot HTML.
Sir,
Yeah.
in UI, means in this case, if we click, if we put cursor over anywhere in the line, what you got,
Okay.
then it's so.
Yeah, it will. Wherever you means targeting. Suppose that in this example itself, we not want on complete this one. Okay. Because
Okay.
we had a pass on complete div and over p. Correct. But if we want for particular section, what we will do? We can pass particular, we can target particular section. Suppose that I want over element. Take this
Roshan, like of, yes.
here. Suppose I targeting the span element. Okay. So if I targeting a span, so in the case of a span, what it have to do? When I targeting a span, it have to highlight this one. Suppose that. Then you have to make relationship with this span. I'm not thinking if we will pass it directly, then it will come div over. Okay. remove this.
In place of D, we take span.
Let's see. I think it have to come, but actually make a relationship is there. I don't know
Element.
which one element. No, it's not, because P is not the child relation. That is the thing. Let's see here. But a block will be, yeah, no. Oh, what happened? Element to show the P element. Okay, it had a broken that into another. Okay, actually
So
this
we
relate
take div space span.
a space. Okay, div a
Div,
space. Okay, fine.
div,
Div.
some space.
Okay.
And then space.
No, then also not, because now paragraph
After
is not
div,
there.
we take
Paragraph is not
before
there because
colon.
before colon, which one?
Yes, sir. After div and before colon, can we take span?
You telling here?
Yes.
Yeah, why not? But one
And
second, remove
P
this.
P.
P should be there somewhere, but this will be
Yes.
not good. This is not correct, because see, one time you passed a space and one
Yes.
more time you had passed a space. Descendant selector, if you thinking, then descendant selector up to here only.
Then
To it
we use greater than symbol in place of space.
here, then this become khichdi completely. This type it will not work. I know that. Let's see. Nothing came. But we can do that. Yeah.
Comma can use it.
Where? In place of P. Let's it. Yeah,
Yes.
comma it will work because that going to group.
Yes.
Okay. But see, what is the issue? When I pass like this, then directly we got that element
That yes, sir.
without over. Because when
Sir,
just be
we can do one thing, sir. We can pass the P tag in the span tag only, whole P part,
whole P part.
paragraph part.
Yeah, that's if we will pass that, then it will work. But a span will be not there. If we will pass like this, then it will work, because then it becomes the same thing. Then it become again the child. Correct or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
It becomes child. Now text is written, that's fine. But see. Anyway, both are looking same, because previously also we had written like this way, sir. Then it will work. That's not an issue. Just we have to understand how we can manipulate for particular. But it will come that for particular element also.
Question is if you want for particular element. Yes.
If it means slowly we will get this also. I think next one was that example.
Okay.
I think P dot first child. Yeah, this one will be work. Just wait.
Okay, sir.
Where is that? Okay. So see, in this case, what happened? The color. Let's change the color. Okay, let it to be and go with background color. Okay. So which one is that means which all element become the colorful? Paragraph tag. Okay, and first child. First child in the sense. First one he taken this one. Okay, this is important. This you will use more actually. While using, you will got a need. So see, in the table case, we will look this one again. First one is this one. So it got a color, that one, first child. Okay, then this become the second child, so it not get color. Then again came in the div section. Okay, and it again color the first child. Correct or not? It again color the first one. Do one thing, take one more time, div, and let's see. What are you thinking? Third one will come or not? This one?
Yes, sir.
It will come.
Upper
Okay.
one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are you thinking regarding this one? Okay. Left that. First look over that. That came.
No, sir.
That came, it's fine. But what about this? It will or not?
No, sir.
This is first child or not? Line number 27.
Not inside div.
No, not inside div, but this is also not inside div. But it had came.
Sir, I think came, sir.
Oh, you thinking came? Okay, let's see. It not came. Because what it had done, it
Yes.
had considered the first child in complete body first. Correct. In complete body, they had taken the first child. Who is the first child? First child is this one. Line number 14. Okay, clear?
40.
Second, what it had done, it had taken the first child inside each section. Do one thing, take any another. Okay, wait, I will write section. Section is also one tag. When you will study block level and that, when you had studied block level and inline, then many tags was there. But these are not much more important. But one thing is there, while we are writing many more and more code, that time we are using that. Okay, so please, you have to go through that all tags, whatever. You will got the work easily. Section is nothing, just for dividing the section. Okay, that is different. See, again, I had passed the section, and inside section we pass this is some section. So see, we got this one because it looking in the means each parent, you can tell in each case it looking for the first child, means outside the body first he had looked over this. Okay, whatever first child he got affected. After that, in each section, div section is there. In this he looked the first child, then this div looked first child, then this div look first child. So this way it had make first child. Okay, it had used the first child. So one another property is there, last child. Okay, last child, take the complete this one. Today Pooja is available or not? She not speaking. So see what it had done. Which one it taken?
Last child, sir.
It taken last child. What which one? See, this is div is some text, something I modified here. Div. So it taken last child of each section.
Yes, sir.
First div. Then it taking this one. This one. Okay. That is div last child. Okay. Then it came for the section last, which is again in the dawn. Okay, so by this way it taken the last element of all section, be not passing. Suppose it now it have 4 element only. Okay, and now in the fifth again we passed something. So which one it will reflect? It will reflect this last only, not the upper one. So see. Okay, so it automatic detecting who is the last child. Suppose if you will pass a hair also something. So what you thinking, it will come or not? So this will come. Okay, previously two things was there. Wait, previously we was getting this one in the case of last child. So what you thinking now? The output will be this one also and this one also, or only upper or lower? Which one?
47 lines.
Line number 47. In the case of body, means previously it was coming line number 19. So what will be now? 19 will be there or not?
No, sir.
19 will be not there.
Yes, sir.
So see, line number, where is it gone? This is some text. This is some text. Where that taken? Is that wrong? Anything?
Sir, change.
Where that got changed? This
Sir,
is
change the line. We got confused.
something mistake happened. Where? This is some text.
Sir, after section you put dot dot dot. And number
No,
33.
no. That is not dot dot. I had collapsed this one.
Okay.
That's why it's coming. In this case, he not taken this one. This clear. He removed this one. Okay. And in deep section, he taken this one. Div is the last text. Fine. Next is that. Go down. Then this is some text. This is some 1 second. Let me comment this. Previously, which line was coming? So see, it was not looking over the body section means also. Okay, whatever in available in the body section. Otherwise, this have to color. I think previously it was coming. Let me go back. Wait. Last child I passed. Fine. Let's say no. In last child, there also it was not coming. That was coming in the case of first child. We had looked that time. Okay, so last child, which one is coming? Whatever inside the deep section, it ignoring the complete body part. Okay, in the case of first child, it taking that body section part, means this body tag, it considering. But when coming the case of last child, it not taking the body section. It taking only whatever div is there, whatever section is there. From there, it will consider the last child. So see here. So here, if I will add last, okay, and so see, this is the last, some text last, okay. So now it got affected here in the bottom. Means how many total? Last one, then this is second, and this is third. So let's compare in our code. This one is the first, means last, okay, and one this one, and that another is this one. But who is not coming? This one is not coming, this two, because in the case of last, it will ignore the body section. It will consider only whatever section you had passed. One deep section is there, then one deep section, then one section. Okay, clear? But in the case of first child, it will consider the body also. Clear or any doubt? Tell me.
Sir,
Yeah.
when one paragraph write in sir body section in last.
Okay, fine.
What
Go with this. It will not take because this is the last, means this is in the body and it ignoring the body section. See, correct or not?
yeah.
It not considering the body section, it ignoring completely, but it considering the div or whatever section you had passed. So we can do one thing. Div is there. Okay, a tag name is aside. You know this tag aside. Whenever you will pass anything, suppose you have to make anything in the, means any design in the right side or left side, means any side, then you can use this one. This is a block, sorry, semantic element. I think for batch 2, I had told to refer the video. In video, you will got that, or in material, study material itself, that this coming under aside. The aside is the semantic element, because with the help of aside, you getting some sense that this section is in the side. Now it have to come last element because we had passed in some div, some section, correct? So that's why we getting this last. Correct or not? This one. Anyone having any issue now? Tell me.
No, what is aside?
Aside is nothing. It's not going to do anything. It will keep your tag, means as like a div, it will work. Okay. But from the name, you getting something. Had you studied semantic element, semantic and non-semantic in HTML?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Semantic means what? Sense,
Fans do.
meaning,
Yes.
meaningful. So what we
Yes.
getting from the term side? Is it giving some sense or not?
Yes, sir.
It giving sense. Aside means something in the side, like
Sides.
that. So whenever you have to pass some section, suppose you going to design any section in the right side or left side. Wait, I will open Paint. If you have to make anything design in the right side, left side, that time you can use this aside. And inside aside, as like div, you can pass that. Suppose in your this side, you going to make some design. Okay, you can use that aside tag, just like separation purpose. That's it. And inside this, as like you are using div. Okay, take aside and pass a div. Okay, and pass all the text, whatever you want. Means whatever activity you want, you can pass there. That's why, means see, that's why I telling practice that code line by line. Making that just a simple example, it will not effective. Okay. And if suppose suppose that if you going to create navigation bar, okay, then you can use a nav tab. One nav tab is there. It will also not do anything, but it will help you in keeping that. See, we take a nav. Where is that? In the last side. Okay. What it had done? A side, this text is coming in the nav. It's not going to do anything, but yeah, due to this, we can get some sense that this will belong to the navigation. So that's why. So navigation, then we can go with UL and LI, and we can pass that LI, okay, and pass home. But here, what everyone is doing, just they got that some task and they thinking that in one day I will complete that website. Don't think that. Just go from the basic first. Then you will get all idea. Otherwise, slowly you will think this become too much complicated. While learning, it looking simple. When you will practice, then only you will got idea. See, we taken this one. Had he done anything? Any extra? Let's do one thing. Comment this, Nav. Maybe you will get some space issue, maybe. Then
Yes,
also
sir.
nothing. Then also we not got minor changes, just minor you can tell. That you can ignore, that's not an issue. See, I taking this. What happened? Nothing is going to change. Okay, but here also, if you will look over this, you will easily identify that this is UL tag. That's it. But when you will look over this code, then anyone can easily identify this is navigation bar. This belong to nav section. So this is the meaningful. That's why I telling just practice first material. Don't worry regarding the websites and how we will. Once you get idea, you can easily identify, because writing code, one day I had seen the Roshan code. He had written all the code outside. Means div he had used inside a div, then p something he mixed it. Means inside div he taken another div and he closing outside. Means that code is look like a garbage completely. Never do like that. Take complete one section by J. If you're doing navigation bar, take nav section and utilize that code. Okay. If you're taking anything, take a div, whatever you want, take section. If you're thinking that is a section, you can take section and inside section pass a div. That's why I told just sit at 11 o'clock, all member, and do practice in the group. Then you will get idea. But nobody following, then why I will follow? You have to practice. Then you will get the idea how you can write better code. Only getting output is not the matter. Just you can think now, just you have 40 line, 30 line of code. That's simple. But when it will be much more, it become complicated. Don't waste a single day. I will suggest this thing. Just plan yourself when you want practice, how you want. If you want a discussion with all member, you can arrange one call. You can drop message in WhatsApp that we want one time discussion with, not me, with you all itself. And you can think how we can practice, because everybody is virtually. Nobody have any relation. Nobody know each member. Okay. But one way is there. You can contact on WhatsApp, make one arrange one call, came on call and just discuss how we can practice. Wherever you will got, means you want my support, I will suggest you. That's my promise. But the remaining thing you have to do from your end. I can't tell each time to all member. Okay, so this way we can utilize the first child property. So different is also there. You can go with that. Then you can see the changes, what is it going to do. Okay, then yeah, one pseudo class, that is a lang. Okay, and what it going to do, it going to change the rule. What is this? 1 second. Pseudo class allow you to predefine. Yeah, this is not your lang which we be using in the meta tag. Fine, because with meta tag also be using one thing. Six, 7, tseudo.html. So what are you thinking? Whether you will start practice now or next month? I telling don't waste a single day. Single day means single hour also. You know one thing, while learning, never think that I have idea. Just think I don't know anything. Okay, while learning time, be complete blank. Never keep attitude and these things that I know all things. Why I will ask others? No, don't never keep that. Because if you know, that's fine. But if you will ask somebody, then sure something new will come. Maybe all term will be same, but maybe some word you will got. Okay. So see what it going to do, lang, with the help of this lang class. Okay. What was the meta tag? Previously we was using some meta tag and there we was taking that lang attribute. Meta, then lang, okay, en, g, I don't know what is we was writing. Okay,
Yeah.
we can en.
Yes.
So only en.
Okay, so this was en, that was a language. Okay, and it is using to define language, and here we can use a lan English US, like that. Why we can, that's type we can separate, but here one separate language there. This is pseudo class. Okay, you have to keep in mind, otherwise if anybody will ask, then you can, you, if you will tell that directly, I don't know. But no, that is one lang, that is for defining the class, and one pseudo class lang, that is for defining rules. Okay, what rules it will define? Some text, tilt, a quote in a paragraph, and some text, this one, what it going to do? Some text, here it passed this one, fine. This is not much more important. Let me check here what it's going to do. A lang pseudo class allow you to define a special rule for different languages. Okay. In example below, lang defines the quotation mark for q. Okay. So where is that?
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah, Mardeep.
yeah,
Here actually,
we can define the symbol of the any tag. We can change the symbol of the tag by using
yeah, that, because here it had defined quotation mark. Quotation mark in the sense, see here in the tag he taken. Here it taken that q, and with the help of a q it will provide you double quote. Fine, but it had, what he had provided, quotation equal to no. Okay, and this no he had referred inside this pseudo class. Okay, then see here whatever text is written, a quote in paragraph, it have to came with the double quote or single quote. But whatever is written, that is not coming with the double quote or single quote. Why? It had defined that their own rule. Okay, that when the queue will be, that time rule will be like this way, that opening and closing tilt symbol. Got my point? If I will move this, I don't know whether what it will be the output. Let's see. See what I define. I define my rule that whenever I will use q, because inside q I had referred this lang equal to no. Okay, and this due to lang equal to no, and when we passing no class inside this one, let's do one thing. Pass one more, then you will get some better idea. And pass here any language reference, that is a reference actually. So I passing yes. Okay. So what I will do, I will refer, okay, for referring of any particular, whatever you had written there, you can pass this, okay. So with the help of a lang, and here we passed value as yes, this yes value I had referred there, okay. So what it is going to do, this q will be pass your text as like what, double quote. But what I passed now, previously it was tilt, 1 second, tilt. Now I passed another property that this will be like greater than and less than, suppose this type. So what will happen here, when you will got q yes, lang yes, so where that is, this line. Okay, so in next line, in place of a q double quote, so see one thing, let's remove first this one. What will be the output? So Shivani, what will be the output actually now for second line? Pooja,
Sir,
Shweta, yeah.
by default, it's the line only.
It
Means
will
no comma, no any symbol.
Sir, it's
means,
show quotation, sir.
yeah, it will show quotation. See,
Yes.
double quote came, correct?
Okay.
But we had defined some rule that when q will be there, double quote, I not want that double quote. In that case, I want something greater than and less than, means I will wrap this complete line in greater than and less than. What I had done, I had passed that lang equal to yes. Okay, lang equal to yes. And I had defined the rule also on the top, that when lang equal to yes, in yes case, see, quotes equal to this one. Okay, let's see. I don't know whether it will come or not. Yeah, it came. So now text is inside that one. So this time we can change the rule, because what is there by default rule? Q means a double quote or single quote, but due to this one, it came like that. Clear? So this way we can manipulate something more, like emphasis tag and whatever there, italic, I not want italic, I want something. Then you can just check whether, I don't know that whether it will work in that case, means we can change that tag also or not, but you can try. Okay. Next, in case of pseudo class, there are some more property which is given here, like active, disabled, then check. See here, many properties are there. Okay, so please, then focus. Then many properties are there. Please go one by one and check that. Okay, many properties there. Once you will go through all, you will got that idea. How we can see, read only. You not want to give permission user to click, user can read only. Okay, so input type read only, these all are useful. So just go one time, these all you will got that idea. This much is too much actually, this is too much. After this you not have to worry regarding that. So up to pseudo class, anyone having any issue? But I want the practice of all Today I want the output. Otherwise, if you want to waste time, that's fine. I will waste time in the evening. As your wish. Okay, so now next case is pseudo element. So previously we was looking over pseudo class. Now it is pseudo element. Okay, so how we will know that pseudo element? Then again the name is telling what? Anyone? With the help of a name, what you getting? Are you getting anything or not? Pseudo means again same thing is there. Pseudo means
A special state of element define. It defines special state of
that is selector. This is pseudo.
pseudo.
Pseudo means again false. Okay, but previously we was going with a class. Now this is element. And what you getting from the element? See, pseudo element is used to style a specific part of element. A specific part means suppose you want to make a style of a first text, first letter, okay, or first this one. Then you can do that with the help of a pseudo element. So see, I will go fast somewhat because this will be all same type. But you will find out the difference. Just wait. You have to realize, see, now we are in situation that with the help of code, we can easily realize the output. Okay, now can you realize the output here? Can you tell me someone this one? So see,
Yes.
previously when it was a pseudo class, how we was making relation with the help of here one column.
One column.
Okay, but now in the case of element, we are making relation two column. Two column. What is that? Pseudo element. What is the name of pseudo element? First line. Okay, and first line the color will be this one, and font variant will be a small caps, means a cap letter will be capital letter. Okay, let's save and check that output. So what are you getting here? Whatever first line is written, that is in red color and capital letter. Clear? Up to where you getting that capital letter? What is the last word? What is last word?
Two.
Last word is two. Last word is two now. Please keep your eye there. You will realize some changes. That's why I asking that last word. What is last word now? What is last word now?
First line.
First line. And where is that true? Correct.
Correct.
Valley,
Yes, sir.
have you realized something?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Previously, we was getting color up to here and a capital letter. But now we got a color only first line and capital letter also. What was that? That actually pseudo element class means pseudo element code. First line. First line means only first line according to browser. Okay, reduce this. This is last reduce. Okay, previously we was getting first line up to here. So see now we was getting up to 2, I think. Now it came up to here. Means whatever first line will came in the browser, that will be a got effective. So see, when I will scroll zoom in, all become first line. All become first line. That's why all become in the red color. Is this visual? Had you got something idea what first line doing? Means suppose
Yes,
if you done anything and if you want that first line, then you can go with this one. Okay, now the question is that how we can keep in mind that whether this is element or class. Okay, do one thing. Remove this after first line. You had written first line. Remove this double quote, means a single colon or double colon. Let's see whether it's working or not. Sometime it will work in some case, means that will effective in both case, class and element, that you can tell. So in this case, it working in both scenario, correct? Because when we pass one colon, that become class, pseudo class, and in case of pseudo class also it's working. Okay, see, up to text and up to now, and okay, so this working means this will be work in both case, but some all will be not working like that. So just do one thing, whether we can do the same thing in the case of that class also or not. Let's see. And over is not coming. Now see, we got error also here, one red color, clear? So if this will be not comes under element, suppose that, then you will got the error. If it will be under element, then we will get, clear or not in this case? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I can pass here, but this first line is actually pseudo element. Don't tell that pseudo class. But one thing, how we can realize that whether the class or element? Okay. What am I passing? Okay, over. Fine. See, if I want over in the complete body, okay, take that body, remove this body, then also I think it will work. HOV over, and I want something background color yellow, save. See, when I moved my cursor is on the top. When I will put our cursor on the body section, it will got effective. Got it? Because I had passed the over outside. Outside means for complete body. You can refer that body also. If you want like this way, you can refer. Now see, it not working. 1 second, sometime it working. Okay, where it going? Okay, according to content actually, because now in the body section we have this much content. So that's why in content section, wherever the content, it coming like this. Okay, but we want a complete, means outside. When we moving our cursor, just pass over, it will directly. No need of any particular area. Okay, this way. Second, my question was that how we can realize, how we can identify that whether over is class level, means class level element having one colon and element having two colon. So see, class we are writing with the letter C and element we are writing with the letter E. Who is first, C or E?
C.
C is coming first. So when it will come first, what was the symbol actually? In case of classes, how many time colon?
One.
One colon. And in class, in case of element, how many colon? We will take two colon. Had you got some idea? This is the first letter. Means C is coming before E. Means this is first and this is second. So in case of first letter, we will pass one colon, single colon, and in second, we will pass the two time colon. Clear? This is proportion. Clear or not? Had you got this idea? This way, while interview, this will helpful too much. So please keep in mind this type we can easily identify. So when you getting idea, if anybody asking what is a pseudo class, give example, hit in your mind directly anchor tag. Okay, no any extra tag required. Just directly anchor tag, and anchor tag have 4 property: link, visited, over, then active. This 4 property. Just tell that it's clear. Pseudo class. Nobody will ask you anything. But when you coming mind that element, okay, directly you can keep in mind regarding element. Just 1 second. Let me copy this. I will pass in material also. Now whatever you are studying, that is just for the revision purpose. See, that is class COD or pseudo class COD or pseudo element. Okay. Okay. So pseudo class, pseudo, which one? First letter. Fine. So next, in this, anyone having any doubt in the case of first letter? Any issue? Okay. So next, we can change the same type. Again, we can use different like font property, then color property, background, margin, padding. These all things we can use. Okay. See, the following property apply with the first letter pseudo class element. Not only this pseudo, I mean say pseudo element or pseudo class. With all we can use these all property. Okay. As be required, we can pass. Then again, what is this one? First letter. What it will do? It's not going to mark that complete syntax. Okay. It will take the first letter only. Just I will take this first. No class is there or not? No class is not there. I have to define then. Okay. Let's take this class. So see what happened. What you observed here? Due to first letter. What is this first letter? P dot intro. We had passed a P and the class name intro. Anyone having dot in this one also? P dot intro. Okay, no dot, I think. Then P dot intro, just referring the tag and the class. Which tag is that one? This one. Fine. And after that, we had passed the pseudo element. That is first letter. Okay. And inside that, we pass the color and font size. Due to that, we got the first font in the color, and font size is also become 200%. Remove this one. Just see. It got small. Okay. So this way we can pass a style on particular element. Okay. In the case of a pseudo element, because name itself is the element. So here again we can go with multiple pseudo element. Multiple in the sense first letter, then first line, we passed again same thing, something different. Means in the same he had passed. So you can do that. That's not an issue. Now we know that all the things. So it's possible. Okay. And if we want, suppose that we can go and group also. We can pass a comma and we can do that. But as per requirement only. Don't do means anywhere. Then pseudo element. In pseudo element, it's finished. It's that much only. Then after. Okay. This is different property. If you will go one by one, that's a different too much. So after what it going to do in after content. Okay. Let's take this one. In this actually in this we had added image. Dot HTML. So see here we had taken the class. Okay, what we had done here? Can anyone? Hello. What are we trying to do here? So see here, We had taken one H1. Okay, we already passing that H1. Let's comment this line. So be taken H1 and be taken after. Okay, after is again one type of pseudo element, and in that we had pass content. You can't change this one, another content should be, then only it will work. And then we pass URL, and inside URL we had passed the image, our image, whatever image we want. Okay, and in this image where it will appear H1 after, which after content, H1 after content. Just make one syntax, this one, H1 after content. So where is the H1? H1 is here, means that image will appear after this line, and same thing is happening. This is a heading, and after this that image is coming, and now you can see this much space is coming due to that after itself, because this image also occupying that top width that much. Correct or not? See, the width of that means height. Height is parallel, equal. Do one thing, one more property is that is before also. Don't tell anyone that middle will be also there. That will be not. So go with another one that is before. So let's see what it will do now. Your image become first and this becomes second. Okay. Maybe you will think now, what is the need of this? We can pass a image before and after also. Means we can directly pass a image here. So just 1 second. We will look that issue also. Just realize, keep in mind this tree. That's fine. Okay. Not changing there. So let pass here. Now see why we had passed that one. Had you realized anything?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This shows block.
Yeah. So due to means here we had a pass, and that due to the H1, H1 is a block level element. So your image came in the next line. Okay. But we can't, there is no any option. Means yeah, option is there, like we can convert block to inline to a block level, that type. But what we had done here, this is a big image that's left that. When you have a small image like icons, okay, emoji, those GIF emojis there, and you want that emoji only after this one. Okay, in that case you can do like this way only. Okay, so what we can do, we can go and pass, like suppose just think regarding one arrow marks, and what you want like this way, turn right. Here word is written turn right, and you want to add image here. Okay, means like a right turn image. So in that case, if you thinking to add image, it will not work because it came in the down. Means other possibilities also there. Okay, but this is also one possibility. We can pass a image here. Okay, so this way we can go and add the image wherever you want, block level or whatever. Clear? Let's see height. We can add something. No, it's not. Okay, we can go with padding margin also. We can do. Okay, so is it clear why we used this one before and after? With the help of this, we can make that as like a proper alignment. Okay, so another property is there, marker, then marker color. Okay, so marker is already means a tag. Okay, in that we can pass the color is code red and this one. So what is this marker actually? Anyone having any idea?
It is a highlight. Huh?
That a highlighter
Yeah.
fine, but
No,
one
Lee.
thing is different.
Nice.
Let's see. This marker
Sir,
is
is
different.
attached to the particular text. Selected
No,
text.
this marker is something different.
Okay.
Okay. 3 that is mark tag. What is that? Somebody had asked, I think, while studying through the list or those, that we can change that color of that bullet or 1, 2, 3 or not. So we can change it with the help of marker. Clear? Marker is doing that thing only. By default, you will get the blue color, means black color. Okay. But with the help of marker tag, we had increased the font size also, and we had changed the color also. Fine. Let's do one thing. Pass this 230 pixel. Let's see whose size got changed. What you thinking? Whose size will change? Text size or bullet 1, 2 numbering, that one? I taken 230 pixel. Whose size you thinking?
So bullet size.
Bullet sign or
Yes,
size?
sir.
Bullet or a text? Bullet sign or text size? Whose size will be? Who telling bullet? Go with
So I
first.
am telling bullet.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, bullet size, sir.
Okay. What about Sweta?
Both, sir.
Both. I think morning time you sleeping. See here, coffee is coming. You have to take, that is free. Where is that bullet gone? Oh my God. I had changed, but where it gone? I don't know. Something mistake or what?
Sir, it gone inside the margin, sir. If you decrease the margin
Oh,
from left side, it will come. I have tried
okay.
this.
Okay. Yeah, that is coming actually. See, because the gapping is this much. If a gapping is this much, means sure something happen.
It got inside the left margin.
Where you telling here? Yeah. So where I can pass the margin in LI case, I think. UL. Left. Margin left 0. No, not this one. Where I can pass.
Not zero, sir. Give I think
Oh, some value.
yeah. Give 10 or 20
Okay. Let's see.
more, sir, more.
Yeah. It came. No, it become too much. Go 1000. Okay. So see, we got our bullet here. Okay. Then we got that one. So it had increased the bullet sign, bullet color. So with the help of which tag? That was marker tag. Fine. Or anyone having any issue in this marker tag. So with the help of marker, we can make a design of our particular that section only. Okay. Because we know that we can change this numbering and those. But we have not idea how we can change the size of this one. But size of this text, we can easily, we can go with the LI and we can increase the font size. Correct or not? So do that. LI, fine, and font size 120 pixel, save. We had increased that one because that is particular font. But when you passing, yeah, maybe somebody will think why we not increasing with the help of font only, because that is not the font. Okay, when we will increase the font, this font will work, not your this one. If you want, you can try UL, comma, let's save and comment. I don't know whether it will work or not. So it not increased, this bullet sign not increased that much, But when you passing this style for marker, then we are getting the changes. Okay. So this way we can use this marker property. Then what is the next one? CSS selection pseudo. What is this selection? Red, blue, pseudo. Okay. Okay. As like marker tag, what we are doing? We are selecting any element that came in the black. Okay, only one is pending. Let it to be. These all are actually interesting. That's why I telling to practice. With the help of selection, I mean say selector, you can tell that we can do magic. See what it will do now. What is the tag actually? First go through this idea somewhat. We had taken some selection, and in selection we had passed color equal to red and background equal to yellow. Background yellow. What are you getting from the term selection? Pooja, Sweta, Shivani, Amol. See, I had called this much name, but nobody speak. Means all are sleeping.
No, sir.
So you're not getting any.
Sir, when you select, then it will background will be yellow and text color will be red.
Yeah. So when we will select, selection means select, just like normal selection word. I'm not going with technical word. Selection means select. Do select. What is happening? You are selecting. Got that idea? With the help of select, we are changing while selecting. We are changing that. Clear? Or anyone having doubt? So which pseudo class? That is pseudo class selection. But here you can see one thing. Why we had not passed any tag here? Okay, Shivani or Sweta, both of you. I want selection only for H1. See, in
H1, sir.
oh, okay. So I will pass here H1. Clear? So if I will pass H1 and then selection, then it will work only for the particular H1 tag. Now see, previously we were selecting this also. It not working. But when I selecting this, it working because we are targeting particular section. Clear? But if I will remove this H1 and save, now it will work in all case. Clear? Because we are referring, because previously as like over, we had passed a complete body itself. Over property. So same type. So see, as the cursor move on the body, it came. Okay, selection is there. So whatever things, it work all. Means now you will think that we will add in a website also like this. When person will come, it will automatic change. Okay, so this way we had covered pseudo class and pseudo element. Many things is also there, checked, disable, empty, whatever things you had look over in class case, that same thing is here also. Something different property. You can check what is difference in both. So here many properties there. Next is the attribute selector, and then what is that? What is time? 8:30. If I will take 5 minutes, then it will cover attribute selector also. Let cover. That will be fine. Otherwise, due to that, it will be pending. What are you getting from the term attribute? Now see, whatever you understand, that's clear. But what is that next? Attribute. What are you getting from the attribute? This is not general term. This is technical term. Tell fast.
Reference.
What?
For additional reference.
Yeah. So for additional reference, we will use attribute selector. Okay. So additional reference, who have the additional information? Can anyone tell regarding any tag?
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag. Fine. Okay, I understand now. These all batch 2 person is sleeping. They thinking batch 1 is just speaking.
Also, sir.
It. From now onwards, I will speak name fast and I will call 4-5 name one time. And let's see who is giving the answer. That is like a signal. If you cross the signal, your chance gone. Where is open server? Morning time, why is disturbing? Okay, it will come here actually. Okay. Yeah. So what be done here? See our code. Anchor tag be taken. Okay, be taken 3 anchor tag. And in all anchor tag, attribute. Who is attribute?
Href, sir.
Href is attribute.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So href is attribute. So we had pass that style by referring this one href. Means previously how we was referring? We was referring anchor tag. If we want to make any changes, we can refer that. Then we had added pseudo class also here. Correct? Now we are targeting inside that area. Okay. How much time means why which we had passed the style. See, first process of passing a style is just by tag as normal from day one itself be to doing that one. Second, after that we had learned ID and class. Then we start passing a style with the help of ID and class. That is second option. Clear? Third option, we gone with different pseudo class element, these things, selector part. Next thing, what is pending in our, suppose, if anybody will tell you that what are the base by which you will pass a style in this, for now we know only one ID means sorry, that tag with the help of a tag, don't worry regarding a, take h1. Okay, so here h1. Now we can pass that style with the help of h1, then it will be work. Then we can pass with class, then id, then different pseudo class came, then pseudo element came, different process. The same thing I doing here. Now we will target the another property which is it attribute, because this is attribute, then this is also attribute. Then what is remaining here? Nothing, because all things came. Href is attribute, then target is attribute. So now we going to refer that target. Okay, and see here in the attribute how we are passing. We are passing with the help of a square bracket. Clear? Previously, suppose a class was there or pseudo element was there, we was doing like this anchor tag colon link. Okay, and with the help of this way we are making that. But in the case of attribute, we will pass like this way. If you will study, when we will study Angular, that time we will see this thing attribute again there, but that is not a style, that will be in Angular part. Okay, there is one attribute. I don't know what was that, or a styling itself, I think, for passing data. Yeah. So with the help of attribute target, what word we had passed there? We had passed target. So what it will do now? Background color will be yellow. To whom? To all element who have that target. Okay, so see, first anchor tag, he have a target. First anchor tag having target or not?
Not.
No,
Target
sir.
is not written.
No, sir.
Target is
Mm.
not there. That's why this W3 school is not yellow color. Okay. My God, what happened? Okay. Oh, link was given. So this W3 school, which is written, that is not coming in yellow color. Okay. Now go second one. Target is there. Disney.com.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Target is written there. Okay. So due to target written, that coming in the yellow color. What about third one? Target is there. Wikipedia.org.
Yes, sir.
Target is there. That's why it's coming in the yellow color. This is one way of passing attribute selector. We are means we are taking the attribute. Which attribute? Target attribute. Means all have target, it will be. But I not want like that. I want target top. Who have target value top? Okay, that will be only effective for this color. Just do one thing, equal to, and pass that value. Okay, Now see what happened. We got this color, okay, and pass background color red. That will be highlight more. Okay, so who have that target equal to top, that will be only background red. So who have target equal to top? See,
Hold
as
on.
like general, previously we had passed target. Due to target, it taken all general term, all target who all have. But now I specify only target some particular value. Target equal to blank. Then we can target this and we can pass that one. So now target equal to top. Who have target top? Wikipedia.org. Correct? That's why Wikipedia.org having the background red. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. This is the thing. Nothing is there. Anyone? So do one thing. Take this href also and just see what it going to do. Will it work or not? Sorry, anchor tag fine. So how we will pass? We will pass here href. Okay, href. Let's see who all got color. All complete. But already we had commented that line. So how it getting that due to href. But I want not like this. I want href equal to this one. For this particular, what we will do? We will just pass the complete and just see Disney.com because href is Disney.com. Anyone having any issue? Tell me.
Sir, we will not write href is equals to href in one big bracket or a target in one big bracket.
Big bracket in the sense you not want this double quote.
No, sir, big bracket is.
Okay, 1 second. Just wait. I got that. From where you telling? Href equal to after that.
No, sir, after a big bracket. One a new big bracket and we.
Means regarding that URL you telling.
Yes.
Means you telling me to write in this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No. Because whatever href we had passed, that is like a key. See, this bracket actually due to this bracket itself, they identify this is which selector. This is attribute selector. Due to that itself. Previously, as we had passed, we can group whatever we want that we can do, but we can't pass another big bracket here. Any bracket that's not need because with the help of this symbol itself, we had got that this is attribute selector. Clear?
Okay.
Anyone having any doubt?
Sir, we will use only one attribute.
No, you can use multiple.
Okay, for grouping.
Yeah, we can go grouping. Suppose we want this also. Take this and pass. Let's see. Background color and target top. Fine. So it not because comma should be there. Let's see. I think it have to work. So see. Now what is the condition? Condition is that target equal to top. Who have target top? Wikipedia.org. Correct. So that's why it also got background color. And who have this anchor tag? Disney.com. Means this both. Due to target top and due to Disney.com. Both got that effective. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone having any issue?
No, sir.
Clear this way. Let me try. I don't know whether it will work or not, but let me try that. I passed with href and I want to do this. I have not idea. Okay, it worked. How it worked? Because what we had done, we had passed one tag and href h1, and h1 is not anchor tag, but we had passed something wrong. I know that. But what we trying whether it will work or not. So it will work because we had passed that attribute. Okay, so we can take with help of any attribute, we can do any changes, but this is not correct. Then also we can, means not only anchor tag, any image tag you taking in image also src is there, then alt is there. Suppose img, okay, and alt, let it to be on alt attribute. So you can pass this alt value on that attribute, you can take. Clear? This way we can use this. This is too much important. Means when we will use, actually we can use much time. So in attribute selector we covered. We had taken attribute selector directly without any value, without any specification. Here we had passed the value also. Fine. Target equal to blank like this way. Then attribute tilt equal to value. What it going to do is used to select with an attribute value containing a specified word. Okay, means for a specific word in the sense title, tilt, flower. Who have this word flower, who will got effective only. So see, in this image, who is the title flower? This also having, second also having title flower. So this both will got effective because it's searching for that specific word. We can pass this. Means just imagine this is a sentence itself, because in title we can write anything, that not compulsory. Then attribute equal to value, or and oh sorry, attribute and this symbol or symbol equal to value. This has specified the element with the style specific attribute starting with the specific value. Means whatever value we passed here, that should be a starting. Okay, so with the help of that we can like a class equal to means or equal to top. So see what it will do, it will search a starting value should be top. So starting value is top here, then here also, and then in this case also. So this all three will got effective. Anyone having doubt in this one? Then something again there, what is that? Whose attribute value begin with a specified value. See, just we have to know this different, but we have to know that attribute, how we are passing. Whenever you required, you can go with this, but mostly we can use that attribute itself. That's fine. What it will search? It will search that begin with a specified value. It's not searching that a specified value is there or not. It's searching for begin, a starting value itself. So this one, then this one, then this one. Okay, and this one is coming with this one, but in uppercase, in a specified value, I'm not thinking this will work. Okay, who is on unmute? Then next is who is that culprit? Who is that? Samir. Okay, so in attribute dollar, some value is there, then what it going to do? Whose attribute value end with a specific value, it will search for the ending one. Okay, suppose we passed it, see how we passed it. Whatever class we want, attribute or whatever, then ending value is a test, and how we specified the ending value with the help of this dollar symbol. Okay, so it will search for the ending value in this way. Then attribute a star, what it will do, select whose attribute value contain a specified value. This way we can check one by one. That's not an issue. Okay, anyone having any issue? It got clear, selector, but this is too important, and after this selector there is no any extra thing is available in CSS, that I will tell. Minor things are there, but this was main. Now we know all CSS completely, and now we have to manipulate. So after this, whatever we will study, that will be a small, you can think mini project type. How we can modify, how we can convert the link into button, then button into link. Means with the, as like with the help of Photoshop, we are doing something. Same thing we can do with the help of CSS.